Welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair. Today we're breaking down a key concept in HVAC design and load calculations, the difference between R value and U value, and why it matters. What is R value? R value measures resistance to heat flow. The higher the R value, the better the insulation. It tells you how well a material keeps heat out or in. Example, insulation with R30 is better than R13. R values are added up across layers of walls, ceilings, and floors. What is U value? U value measures how much heat passes through a material. Lower U value equals sign better insulation. It's used in load calculations because it covers conduction, convection, and radiation. And here's the simple math. U equals sign 1, RR equals sign 1, U. So, if someone gives you an R value, just flip it to get the U value. Why it matters in manual. J heat load calculations, we use U values, not R values, to figure out how much heat is lost or gained through a wall, window, or ceiling. Knowing the U value helps you calculate BTU accurately, which means your HVAC system will be properly sized for comfort and efficiency. Quick recap or value equals sign resistance to heat U value, equals sign rate of heat flow. Use R to compare materials, use U to calculate heat load. Want to keep learning? Grab the book, check the site, and hit subscribe.